The recipe that you're about to watch now does not require flour, sugar, butter, nor milk. It does not require oven as well. A traditional way of making rice crackers. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. Do you have a mortar at home? I'm sure you do. Now get the pestle because these two cannot work separately. They always work together. Any garlic in the kitchen? Add it to the mortar. What about fresh chili? Add it. Start pounding till everything is well grinded. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after pounding the pepper and the garlic, I added a bit of salt mixed to combine very well. You are going to set it aside. Any leftover boiled rice in the kitchen or in the pot? Get me that leftover rice in the pot, a very soft one at that. You need a very soft one, as you can see on the video. All right, now you are going to add the rice into the pounded garlic and the pepper. Now I would have used my processor to do this. Using the processor will make the job more faster, but I don't want anyone to complain to me, what if I don't have a processor? I'm sure you have a mortar at home. Now continue pounding. At a point you will find it difficult to pound. All right, at that point that you are finding it difficult, it is ready. Now pick up some and mold. Once you can mold it, it is ready. Set it aside. Now get your mixing bowl. Transfer all the pounded rice into your mixing bowl. At this point, we are done with the mortar. Set it aside. Any leafy green vegetable in the house, I am using spring onion. All right, you can use parsley, mint leaf, curry leaf, scent leaf, any green leafy of your choice, but cabbage is not among. All right, go ahead and cut whatever leaf that you are using, transfer into the pounded rice. Now you'll be needing cassava flour. If you don't have cassava flour, use cornstarch or the one they called corn flour. Whether corn flour or cornstarch, whichever. It's either you use cassava flour or cornstarch. All right, either of them will do the job perfectly. I take out the spatula, moving with my fingers and start mixing till I form a dough. All right, please, there is no need for water, butter, sugar, milk, egg, margarine. You don't need any of these, please. Okay, continue to mix till you form a smooth dough just like this one. The dough will be a bit sticky. Okay, don't worry, that is the perfect texture. Okay, this is looking so beautiful. Any clean plastic bag in your kitchen, any plastic bag at all, will do the job. All right, now I'm going to pieces the dough and throw into the plastic bag. I would not advise you to roll direct on your work surface. Okay, you might find it difficult. This is the best and the perfect way to roll this dough. Okay, now once I pieces and put into the plastic bag, I'm going to move in with the rolling pin. Start rolling to flatten the dough. You are going to roll as flat as possible you can. Very tiny. It should be very, very tiny. All right, beautiful shout out to you, Mommy O, watching from Opanam, Delta State. Deborah from Tanzania. Catherine Owotunde, watching from India. And Carol, all the way from Philippines. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, after rolling, you can see how tiny it looks. Please roll as flat as possible you can. At this point, the dough can be foldable. As you can see, I folded the dough. All right. Now gently lift the plastic bag. Now you are going to gently cut the plastic bag. Please do this gently so that you don't mess up your work. All right. Once you take off the plastic bag, you should have this beauty looking at us. It will still be a little bit sticky. Please don't worry. Okay. Don't add any flour, please. Okay. It is time to cut. Whether you are cutting with a pizza cutter or with a knife, you need your cornstarch or the cassava flour, depending on the one that you are using. Once your cutter tries to stick on the dough, dust it with the cassava flour or with the cornstarch. All right. Go ahead and cut in your preferred sizes. Now, before pulling, I want you to dip your fingers into the corn flour or cassava flour and lift, all right, so that it doesn't stick. It's either you bake, fry, or you can fry with an oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Continue to flip it around from time to time. To know if it is ready, you can use the skewer to drum with the crackers. That is exactly what is going on here. If you are with me at this moment, type drumming time. Okay, go ahead and take it off the heat. Look at that beauty. I'm loving it. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It came out so well. One of the most delicious recipe you will ever try. Trust me, I am not even exaggerating. It requires just few ingredients, but it tastes better than honey. Go and try it and get back to me as usual. You can see the texture, super crunchy, very crispy. It tastes so good. Now you can store in an airtight container and use whenever you wish. Now I packaged some and sent it to someone, and I don't even want to tell you what I got in return. I myself, I was shocked. The person too was shocked when I told her that I made this with rice. She did not believe me until I sent her a clip of this video and she was shocked. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.